You go leave your phone, man. Haba.
Hi, child, what is it now?
Why you do like this, like as if I'm disturbance on you? You said that I want you to talk to me in Igbo proverbs, man.
What you want to use Igbo and proverbs do? Are you an Igbo man? Are you an Igbo woman?
You are Igbo man, and me that we are together, I shall be Igbo too. When I go to your community, people they talk. I want
you
to
cannot
understand.
learn it. It's difficult.
I want to speak it on them, and they shall know that I am with you.
It's difficult for you to learn.
My head is very big to contain everything that you can talk to me. I want to learn.
Okay. Start with this.
Wait, keep your phone paused. And you do it with seriousness. Do it with happiness that you want to teach me something.
Okay. Say, okilikili ka na-agbu kwose ade alien.
This one she's long.
That is how Igbo used to be, and I used to long.
Okay. Tell me again.
Okilikili ka na-agbu kwose ade alien.
Okili. Kai.
Wait, Kai. Who talk Kai for this thing where I talk now? Wait, concern Kai for this thing where I talk. Did you hear Kai from my mouth?
I hear you say Kai.
I say Kana. Okilikili ka na-agbu kwose ade alien.
Okili kaina.
Hi, Jesus Christ.
Ruku.
Can't you people say something without saying Kai?
You say can't you people? Are you not talking to only me? Why you talk about other people?
Sorry. I mean, Ndugu outside everything. Kai.
That one you learn. You do that on purpose. You give me simple one manner that I shall do.
Okay. Say this one now. Awo adeya abo say hihe nefu.
Awal.
Whenever awal. Who be awal?
He said awal.
Whenever awal, who be awal? Did you hear me say awal? Awo anahi abo say hihe nefu. Awo.
Awal.
Hey, wicked. What is awal?
I do wrong that I want to learn is a proverb of your language.
My tamamu is all right. So like I say, okay, let's do another one. Because that one is hard.
She's hard too, yes.
You
give me simple one.
Okay. Ebe nwata na-atụ aka. What is it now?
I said simple one. You say you that she's long.
You've not even had me to land. Let me land the first now before you say it is long now. Ebe nwata na-atụ aka. Ọ bụghị na nne ya nọ ịdị a, nne ya ga-anụ ya.
You insult me, Odekubobo.
How did I insult you?
So what you talk that she's very long and then give me another one. Simple one like short.
Okay.
Short.
Agụ bụ oti nwata n'iru nne ya. Fly now.
She's long. Like you okay on my language ati abarka za cikin gashinta. Very short. Abarka za cikin gashinta.
Abarka gani?
Abarka za cikin gashinta. She's short.
Why are you talking abarka za cikin gashinta? You can't do your hand like this. Abarka za cikin. You are telling me what?
No. I just told you example of my own short one. Give me your own short one. You give me long thing.
Okay, this one is very short. Nwata bunye nna ya enu, ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayochie nya anya.
Only thing that I heard is ngungu.
Wetin mean ngwongwo?
The last one you say ngungu.
Wetin ngwongwo? Nwata bunye nna ya enu, ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayochie ya anya. Try it. Just say it. Nwata bunye, say.
Nata.
Onye bụ nata? Onye nata bụ unu. Nwata bunye nna ya.
Leave me alone.
Go.
You talk to me like that?
Go.
You talk to me like that?
You don't want to learn now. You
give me hard ones, man. You give me something that are very long.
Okay, let me give you a very short one. This one is the shortest of them. Since you want to learn, Abi?
Yes, I want to learn.
Okay, say Abumeyewu. That one is short.
Yes, so that is the type that I like. Say it again.
Abumeyewu.
You.
Yeah,
What does she mean?
What does she mean?
Yes.
It means that God bless people that love him.
I will tell your sister that
Yes. If you can, like if you see your people, you say Ibu. Meaning that God will bless you. Yeah. Yeah. When you see my sister, you say, Abu Meyu. You can go now.
Thank you. Let me go. I shall bring you water. Drink water.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, Ibu. My name is Rudy. Kevin, what tell me you want